All right, I'm back. I was not expecting to take another trade, but I just saw that the market. I was I was thinking again about going short. Believe it or not, I was thinking again about going short, but I just saw a big buy order. There was a whole bunch of icebergs that hit underneath 3,900. I was looking to fail here or just end the day trying to make my money back. So I took a long. There's the target right there. Let's see if I can make my money back. If it comes crashing down, I'm gonna be negative $3,000. Oh my god, was tight all week, ending my days with $1,500. I cannot have a $3,000 loss after being so tight. But if you don't risk, you don't have a chance to make your money back, right? It's like the lotto. If you don't play, you don't have a chance to win. So why am I long? Okay. This is why I'm long. Yeah, I was plotting these trades out. So at 9, was it 9:30? I think it was 9:30. There was a 3,000 iceberg hit. And then here there was an 800 iceberg hit. So I thought to myself, these are either buys or sells, right? So either a sell to go make the market correct, or either a buy to take the market above 3,900. So I waited and waited. It pulled back a little bit here. There was no way that I was going to, if I was going to go short, I would have gone short here after I hit the iceberg. I didn't. This was just a small pullback. Plus, I waited to see if there was a buy response, because there's, after a big move, there's a response. It just creates a vacuum. It takes all of the limit orders and it creates a vacuum, so the market responds, filling in the volume. So there's no way I could have taken a short immediately after the iceberg. So I waited to see if there was going to be a buy response. There was one. So then it started to fail and started to go up again. And then it hit another iceberg. I said, okay, again, either they're buying to take this market above 3,900, or that's another add to that 3,000 iceberg. It corrected again, pull back small. It couldn't go under where the iceberg was. Yeah, where was the iceberg? I believe it was 91. The iceberg was at... God, it's all the way back there. Yeah, it's more than an hour ago. Where is it? Oh, here it is. So the iceberg was at... 38.90 at 9:40. 9:40. It was right here. Sorry, it was on this side. So it hit. I waited for a return on a buy response, and it kept going. So then I started thinking, okay, so then maybe this is a buy iceberg. All right, let me make sure, keep an eye on this trade here. I'm explaining this and I'm still in a trade. So I am not posting this because I feel responsible. If I'm wrong here, finally I go long, end of the day, and I'm wrong, and people follow me, and people probably followed me this morning and went negative with me. So there's no way that I can comfortably tell someone to take another trade with me. Even though I'm not responsible for anybody, this is pure entertainment. I'm just giving out entertainment. So it started to go up, and then it hit another iceberg at 800 iceberg. Where was that one? No, I can't find it. Oh, here it is. And that was at 96.75 at 10:35. So almost an hour later. 10 right here. Right here. Right there. What is it? 96.50. So 96.50. Right here. 800. This one was on the sell side. This was on the buy side. So I got, oh, okay. So maybe this was a buy and they cleared some of it. Or it was both of them were buys. So then I start, okay, let's wait to see if it fails and it keeps going. So I was going to go short underneath the first iceberg, because it may have gone down to test it. It didn't. It did a pullback, and then it found buyers. It did a stop pick right here, and it went long. So hopefully I didn't make a mistake by buying the top. And I couldn't just take a long here. Why? Because there's going to be a bunch of sellers at 3,900. So I needed to wait for the market to break 3,900 again and make a new high. And I had to take a chance on buying the high, which is something that you have to be very careful in doing that. So that's it. That's why I went long. And there's nothing here to stop this market. Nothing. Nothing. Once it cleared 0250, 03, there's nothing here. Nothing. Nothing. There is, let's see. Yeah, I don't. Nope. There is nothing. Maybe at 21. Maybe at 21. So if anything, I may have to watch 21, because it could be over there. It could be over. Here we go, making new highs. Yeah, there's no way I could tell anybody to take this, and I don't want to go and now that I'm positive, oh, now that he's positive, he's telling people, no, I can't do that either. So yeah, I'm sorry if you guys were negative with me, and now I am not spreading the joy, but I can't. I could not tell anybody to take another trade. So I apologize. And I just want to, be completely transparent. So, yeah. All right, I need to start thinking about moving my stop to entry or reducing my risk. $97. All right, so I'm negative 1,149 on the ES and 591 on the MES. So if this trade goes to target, I'm going to make 3,262 before commissions on the ES, and the MES 1,400. Oh my God, if this happens, I am not going to trade on Monday. There is no way I'm going to trade on Monday. I'll come and I'll call out some trades. I'll do my morning prep for you guys, but I'm not going to trade. I am not going to trade. I am not going to chance the last day of the month me going negative. Especially after I'm taking a chance here on going negative $3,000. Excuse me. Yeah, there's no way I could trade on Monday. Come on, baby, come on. Yeah, this is all air. This is all air. There's nothing here. Maybe here. So I need to keep an eye on this here. Maybe here. Come on, baby. Go, go, go. All right. Almost past the halfway point here. I took a long break. Had breakfast. Took Benny for a walk. Hanged out with my wife a little bit. Yeah, there are times I just have to not be streaming. Because I'll be honest, you know, I do feel the pressure that I have to perform, you know. It's with any sport, with anything that you do out in the public, you have to perform. So I get the pressure of the show pony. And sometimes I make mistakes. Like this morning, I was in the short bias. Here we are, 120 points up, and I was standing in front of the freight train, getting run over. And when it was time to clear trades, if you didn't watch it earlier, I took 2 shorts and I got stopped out. Then I took a 3rd short that it was a 20-pointer, and I failed to clear. I let myself get stopped out an entry, and then I called out a 30-point long that I didn't take because I was already negative and I was, still on the short bias. So I missed out on that. So I missed out on 50 points. And then I thought I had found the top, and I went short again and got stopped out. And then I said, I'm done. I'll see you guys later. So here I am trying to make my money back, and here we go. We could pass 10. It will go to 21. Yeah, they're already growing interest at 19. There's 192. There's 197 at 20. Now, am I being greedy on 5 points? It's a solid target. It's a solid target. If I get out at 21, that's $800 just on the ES. So $1,000 that, and there's no way I could re-enter. And I can't split this because this is a solid order. Someone said that you could split solid orders. Prove me wrong. If there's a way to do it, please leave a comment and show me exactly how to do it. Because I've been using Ninja since 2006, and you weren't able to do it then, and you're not able to do it now. Now I could cancel these if I go and cancel the target and cancel the stop. And then if I put a 6 and a 7, first I put a 6 target and then a 7 target. If I join them up, then I'm able to resplit them. But if I leave it the way it is, there's no way. So you click on it, you right click, and then the order appears, and then there's cancel, increase, or decrease. When you could split them, the splits will appear, and then you choose individually if you want to cancel, decrease, and increase. So whoever said I was wrong, please prove me wrong, because I would love to be able to split this now and put a 7 at 20 and leave a 6 as a runner. So if you know how to, please leave a comment explaining how I do it, because I've never ever been able to figure it out. All right, come on, let's go. Come on. Hot knife right through 12. Yeah, I missed this whole run up. There's no way I thought we would be up here. It was not even part of my scenario. None. Where's my scenarios? Look at that. None. I had up all the way to maybe 67. I think that's where I took my last short. I don't remember, but yeah, I thought it was gonna be 1 or 2. I thought we were gonna fail, so I got tricked. Here we go, new high. I got tricked by the overnight low. Overnight low tricked me. The bad earnings, Amazon. How is Amazon doing now? Let's see. With a 15-minute delay, they're still negative 7.5%, but Apple made almost all of their losses back, and maybe this is why the market is driving up. So I believe that this is driven by the companies, not the opposite. Not that the ES is up, so people are buying Apple. No, I do not believe that. I believe that Apple is up, so people are hedging, or the people who trade ES are buying because those companies are up. That is what it should do. But I don't know. People say it's not. People say that that when they're watching the ES, they see it drop, they go and sell Apple. I mean, what does Apple have to do with the rest of the other 500 companies? It's all different sectors, right? So, yeah, I don't know. Could be wrong. I could be wrong. All right, I didn't want to see a pullback so early here. I do not want to see an 05. If there's an 05, chances are this is over. But there's no reason why it should stop at 11. There's no reason at all. Nothing. Nothing. Nope. Yep, there's nothing. Again, maybe between 18 and 21. Yes. 18 and 21, there's a chance that could hold the market. But here, I think it's all fluff. Oh, man. There's a lot of poor structures above. Lots of targets, lots of poor structures. Yeah, never thought we would be up here. I am completely taken by surprise. Yeah, I mean, consumer spending is up. Are they insane? You know, I mean, high interest rates, so you shouldn't be buying cars, you shouldn't be buying houses. The interest rate in your credit card is high. Why are people spending? You know? And the market is happy that people are spending in a bad economy? No, it should have dropped. So they could be setting this up for an FOMC drop. That is on the 3rd of November. So this could be all a squeeze, letting these buyers go long thinking that, oh, we're going back up. And then they just drop it right in your face. Home sales was down. There's a chance that we might have a major crisis in 24 days because we're running out of diesel. No one is talking about, except for Fox News. We only have diesel for 24 days. That's all we have. I don't know if you guys know this. There's only diesel left for 24 days. And then after that, our reserves will last 6 hours. There's like 1 million barrels in reserve, and our consumption is so large that it will last 6 hours. So all of the barges, all of the tankers, all of the buses, all of the trains, all of the delivery trucks all use diesel. Biden thought that the Arab nation OPEC was gonna come and save us, and they snubbed us out. And no one is talking about. They're all worried about the election next month, the primaries, and they're afraid to give the bad news that we have 24 days left of diesel with winter coming. And here we are, up 120 points. This is why I've been trying to go short all day. You know, I'm following the fundamentals. The market is manipulating this move here because we shouldn't be up. The overnight showed where the market should be. So let's see. All right, you want to go up? I'll finally go up with it. All right, this could be a stop pick right here. So there could be an opportunity to add. There's no way I could add. I'm negative. I wish I could add, but there's no way. If I add and it goes against me, yeah, I should even think about moving my. Oh, why is that one at 92? Oh, because I only moved. All right, I didn't use Replikanto. All right. Oh, God, that was a tough morning for me. Yeah, when I saw, you guys could watch it, I called out a 3 target on a 30-point trade. It hit 1. It hit 2. 15 minutes later, it hit the 3rd target. I'm like, oh my God, I can't believe I didn't take that. And I saw people post, oh, thank you, I'm done for the week. Have a great weekend. And there I was, almost 1,700 negative. But I'm on the short bias. This market I think it's overbought. But you want to go up? I'm a day trader. I'll go up with you. So let's see if I read all of this right. I spent an hour looking at this. There's no way I was going to just jump on another trade. So I spent about an hour looking at this, mulling it over. Okay, I cannot take another loser. I gotta be really, this gotta be a AAA trade. Plus, plus, plus. The only thing I might have done wrong is that I went long at 0350 because I had to get the streaming ready. Plus, I needed to see a break and make a new high. So, my entry is not the best. But I needed to make sure that it was just not a stop pick to come and crash down. I really needed proof that the market was going to sustain the rally above 3,900. Because it did fail here, right? It failed here. It failed here. It failed here before it found buyers again. So, triple top. And this is why I never go for, double top or double bottoms, because I think the algos know that people do that and they go and hit it. You have all those stops up there and they go and hit your stops and use that as fuel also to keep going. All right, if you don't know, Apex has an 80% discount going. I don't know when it's good till. Actually, I blocked some people out this morning because I thought they were advertising. And now I feel bad that I blocked them. But I didn't get the email from Apex until later on. People are saying they got in the early morning, and I didn't get it. Here we go, new high. So now I feel bad that I blocked these people out. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right, I'm back in the positive. I could just exit now, and I'm positive. On the ES, positive about 300. On the MES, barely. Yeah, that's why I wasn't really afraid of this, because there's nothing here. Nothing to hold it. This is all thin air. Oops, what did I just do? It's all thin air. Ooh, what is that? That's gotta be bull. An 800 stop. Why would there be an 800 stop at 1375? Maybe it's clearing of trades. 07. Yeah, it could be a 10-point trade. Someone initiated a trade here and they put an exit at 1375. Yeah, that was a big order. All right, it cannot fail here. Oh, God. All right, I need to do a little more management here. No, I can't. I'm already. Yeah. If it's not gonna keep going. That's it. Whoops. Yeah, that's it. There's no reason why one solid stop. I think it's an exit of a trade. This here looks like a stop pick on a different time frame. There's another swing low here, and this looks like a stop pick from a different. So this could just be just responsive selling. Yeah, because this is all thin air. There's nothing here. Nothing to really stop this market. Nothing. If it comes, I'm going to give myself that right there. Yeah, it shouldn't come down 14 points to test 3,900 again. It should stop at 05. If it doesn't, then again, my trade is dead. And here comes the sellout from an 867 stop with no icebergs and no nothing. That would be insane. That would be absolutely insane. All right, full harmonic down. Should find buyers to keep going up. Well, this should be the extension here. But what do I know? I've been wrong all morning on my own trades, the ones I've taken. Maybe I'm over analyzing. Sometimes you can have over analyzing paralysis. You just want to believe you're right so bad that you start seeing what's not really there. And that usually happens with Elliot wave. You start, oh, yeah, I see that. And really, no, you don't. All right. Hidden order. Just hit. Hopefully this is the bounce. If this is the bounce, it should go all the way to 25. It should hot knife right through 21. Here comes the buyers. This could be a stop pick on a different time frame. Right here was initiation of trades. Right at 06. This is why I have this tug of war line here. If you look at a 1 minute chart, you'll see that there's a whole bunch of orders here. Here comes the buyers. Yeah, I'll be very surprised if this is the end. Very surprised. Market should not stop because of 767 stop order. I think it was clearing of trades. But obviously now this is going to turn into resistance, so it's going to have to pass this because they're probably going to have a whole bunch of stops all lined up here. People said, oh, okay, now we're dropping. So they started to go short. So all of this here is going to be all obstacle. All right, almost back to being positive again. Well, I got to do my thumbnail. I got to do the thumbnail for this morning. I forgot to do it. It's probably still showing live. All right, I'm gonna be right back. I need to take my my orange juice glass to the kitchen, my coffee mug. I'll be back. Make sure my stop is okay here. Yeah, I can't move it. It's either gonna go or it's not. I'll be back. All right, if you guys hear this over the weekend, if I end up positive in this trade, I am not even gonna look at the market on Monday because I changed my mind. I said I was gonna go and narrate it. Maybe I'll change my mind on Sunday, but as of now, if this turns out to go my way, I will not trade on Monday. I'm gonna take. Oh, plus Monday is Halloween, isn't it? Yeah, plus Monday is Halloween, so definitely not going to trade. If I'm able to survive, I'm not gonna chance on giving it back on Monday. Tight last 2 weeks to end up having a loss the last day of the month. Nope. It's not gonna happen. All right, almost back to being positive. Come on, break. Let's make a new high here. New high. Huh, Benny? Come on. Let's make a new high, baby. Good boy. What's the matter with you, huh? Why are you crying? You just want some loving? Good boy. All right. Lay down. All right. As I suspected, that was just a reaction to hitting that stop. This could be an adding opportunity. I can't add. Maybe I could add 2 more MES. Let me turn off Replikanto. And I'm going to add 2 more just to make it round 15. Round it off to 15. And turn Replikanto back on. What's the matter? Why are you crying? Huh? What do you need? Already went for a walk. You just want to be held, don't you? Come here. Gotta hope my 2 little lot don't bring this market down. Come some sellers. Come here. Oh, say hi to the people on YouTube. Oi, oi. What's the matter with you? You just want to be held like a little baby, don't you? You just want to be held like a baby. My big baby. You sweet boy. Yeah. You just want to be held. Okay. Oh, he likes to be squeezed like a little baby. Yeah. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. You need a bath. I'm going to give you a bath. I'm going to wash you today. He's a hunting dog a bird hunting dog that hates water. Because most birds that hunt, most dogs that hunt birds sometimes have to go and fetch in a lake, right? He hates water. And you got wet feet and you still hate water. No licking, no licking. Here comes the buyers. All right, I gotta go back to work, Benny. Okay? Yeah, good boy, good boy, good boy. All right, okay? Gotta go back to work. All right, good boy. Lay down, lay down, lay down. Benny, lay down, lay down. Good boy. Come on, come on. No, not again. Not again. We're running out of time. But we're only 15 points away. That is a very possible move for 45 minutes. If it was all the way up here, all these other targets, I would say no. But a 15-point run right now would be nothing. Come on, where are my buyers? All right, they're adding interest on numbers right below. So there's a whole bunch of buyers right here. Well, it's on the buy side. We don't know if it's buyers, but right here there's a whole bunch. Or they added more to all of these handles here. If it comes down, yeah, they just added 243 at 07. So they're trying to go and spoof. They're trying to hold the market up. Hopefully, they're gonna make a mistake on adding the other two, but yeah, it should start to go back up. Even if I get stopped out, I think I took a solid trade. I believe in my entry. I followed my rules. I waited and waited over an hour to take this trade. I was very patient. I looked for signs that it was failing to correct. I saw large orders that looked like it was buys to push the market above 3,900. Now, I might be wrong on where to clear, but there's no signs of a target at 1375. Yeah, so but it also, let's see, why did it stop at 30 on the way down? There was also no There was a reason why he stopped at 30. It was the overnight high. Yep, that was the overnight high. It was right there. That's overnight high. That's overnight low. And also, this is yesterday's value area high. So all of this was all support. To me, it looked like I was gonna go straight through. I can't recall where I was trying to exit. I think I was trying to exit at 20. But this was my target. It was my third target. I called out 3 targets. I called out 3 targets. That's this the trade right here. It was, I believe I went short. Where was it? Maybe at 46. I think I said that I said I should have went short at 48. It was a better entry. I went short at 46. I think I went short here, and then it bounced back up, and I called out a target at, I believe, 42. Then another one at 35, and then the last one at 30. And it hit my target, and boom, immediately just bounced off. And then I called the long. I believe it was at 46. I called the long, yeah. I called the long at 46 with 3 other targets also. I think the last target was 76. Yeah, it was 30 points. It was 46 to 76, which I didn't take because I was already stuck on the short bias. Yeah. And then I thought, oh, yeah, it's broke IB high. It's not, yeah, let's forget about it. Move on. Let's make this trade work. All right, hidden order. This could be the push up right here, or it's going to fail and it's going to correct. $350 iceberg just hit. $350 iceberg. Hopefully it hit. It printed as a sell side, on the sell side. Still got time. 15 minutes. 15 points. 40 minutes. Very doable. Anything higher, I wouldn't risk. So it could either stop in the beginning of the support structure or at the end of it. This target should actually be here. That's where it is. 27. Right, it's already been almost an hour I've been on this trade. My God, time flies when you're trading. here we go. It's looking like that ice. Oh, another iceberg. So it looks like the one at what time? Where was it? At 0675 was a buy iceberg, even though it printed on the sell side. Now there's one at 9.25. It could just be a hidden order. It could just be an ad. Let's see how it prints. They pulled it. They pulled it. So it could be a spoof. They're adding interest at 1050. Well, it's looking good. Exactly what we want to see. Higher lows. Higher lows. Now we got to break this one. Make a higher low. Yeah, there was that order. The order at 10. They pulled it. 10.25. They pulled it, so it looks like a spoof. I wish I could add one more ES, and I would clear at 20. I can't clear any of these with the MES because I'm barely gonna be in profit. Let's see. Yeah. No, I'm gonna be $1,000 in profit. Maybe I could clear some. I'm just gonna play it by ear. After all of this heat, I want to make sure I take as much out of this trade as I can. But at the same time, I don't want to have turn on me. All right, looks like another iceberg or hidden order already. 185 filled. That's a 39.11. So let's see how it reacts. Most likely it's an iceberg. Or it could be clearing at trades because they have moved it up. It was at 10. Yeah, it was at 10.25. They moved it up to 10.50. They moved it up to 10.75. And now it's at 11. So they could be making it a magnet and they keep going with it. Or they're trying to get... They moved it again. Now it's 11.50. Or they could be raising it so they could have a better entry on a short. Oh, and that was an iceberg. Yep, 350. It printed as a sell, but so did the other one. And here we are up. So, or it could be clearing of trades, right? They went long at 6.75 and they cleared at 11.50. So, or they're adding, or it's another buy iceberg. Let's see if we can make a new high. If we can make a new high. But also, when you have a sell iceberg or clearing a trade, sometimes it creates momentum because it goes up and people start to go behind and create momentum. Oh, another iceberg. Oh, hidden order.
Over the next few minutes, going through the positioning data from the CFTC. So the week ending October 25th, and we'll be a bit noisy on this call for the next few minutes while I go through the figures. Do feel free to mute me for a few. CFTC data. Do know all speculation.
Interest at 14. It seems like they're adding a whole bunch of buys already. 300 went through. All right, I need to start managing this. All right. I'm back
In
in
the
profits
fund managers,
on the
the
ES.
S&P 500 net long by just shy of 11,000
MES,
contracts to
I'm negative
56,000. And
591.
speculators raised to see the S&P 500 net shorts by 4,700 contracts to 89,800. Looking in the Treasury space, in the 2-year, specs raised 2-year net shorts by 14,100 to 349,600. In the 5-year, specs trim net shorts by 25,800 to 462,000. In the 10-year, specs
Oh
trim net
no.
short by 65,700 contracts to 247,700. Whilst in the classic Treasury bonds, specs
Come
trim
on, a
net
new
shorts by
higher low.
10,800.
Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
The ultra bond specs trim net short by 3,500 contracts to 351,000. In metals, gold specs raised net shorts by 12,500 to 33,100. Silver specs trim net shorts by 1,500 to 6,100. Copper specs trim net short by 2,300 to 3,100.
Come on. Yeah, that could be a clearing of trades. Come on, make a new high. Let's go. All right, last half hour of the cash market. It's now or never. There's half hour for 13 points. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, make a new high. Now I'm starting to get nervous. I wish I had room. I would move my stop to entry, but look at these rotations. I could just want to come back down here to do a stop pick, take me out, and then resume. So I can't move it. If it was up, if it hits 20, then I can move. I can move stop to entry. Right now I can't. Oops. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Another higher high. This is what you want to see when you're going long. You want to be in the back end of the move, not the front end. You don't want to see higher highs. You want to see higher lows. Higher lows is what you want to be seeing. You need to find support in the back end. And when you're going down, it's the opposite. You want to see lower highs. Lower highs. So if I am wrong on this long, this needs to turn into a red bar. Come back and test here, go back up, another lower high, or otherwise now I need to see it go back up preferably to 21, then come back down and do another higher low to then finish it up and go all the way to target. So all of this, all support. So always being the back end, you want the back end of the bar, the candle, to be going in the direction of your trade. Not the front end. I know that in books and videos they teach you otherwise, but it's the back end. All right, we're running out of time here. Benny, bad boy. Just farted right next to me. Bad boy. Go lay down. You bad boy. No, I'm not going to be nice to you. Oof. Benny. God. Bad boy. Wow. Oof. You bad boy. Yeah, that might have been clearing your trades. Yeah, I still don't see a reasoning why it stopped at 14. There is no reason at all why it stopped at 14. This new high looks very weak. The only reason if they couldn't find any more buyers, but that comes with not seeing an area that you could exchange trades. And there's nothing to hold the market from keep going. There is some weak structure right here. That's it. Weak structure here. Weak structure here. Oops. All right, and now we're in. Oh, POC just moved up. I hope they don't try to test prior POC. So it went from 96 all the way up to 9.25. So a lot of trades have exchanging hands right here. A lot to bring POC. So POC is the average. It's not one handle. So a lot of trades took place right here. A lot of trades. So hopefully it's all buy orders. Hopefully it's a ton of buy orders here to move. So what I think happened is all of those previous icebergs started to slowly move up POC, and then to finally these last two icebergs moved up. Because the prior one was almost exactly where the 3000 iceberg was. So that was a buy order that brought up POC. So hopefully I'm going to see the same thing right now. And they're spoofing. There's a whole bunch of spoof right here, trying to scare the market away. They keep adding and pulling, adding and pulling.
Do be aware of WhatsApp users.
All right, come on, here we go.
Indicate WhatsApp is having problems. According to down detector.
Come on. 20 minutes. It's got to do something that's last. It can't just end here flat. Here we go. Looks like it's going to launch. 240 orders waiting at 11 a quarter. They just pulled it. As soon as it starts to move towards it, they pulled it. That's a good sign. All right, here we go, guys. I think this is the move. I just hope it doesn't stop at 20. So beautiful support of higher lows. And that's all the way from here, huh?
For those keeping an eye out for the market imbalance.
All higher lows, higher lows.
25 minutes to was around 800 million on the buy side, 800 million to buy, according to traders who know we are approaching month end, so could be influential.
Here we go, higher high, go, go, go. Big buy order just went through. We need to get out of 13. If we could clear 13, it's going to be smooth sailing all the way to 20. Come on. Man, I'm stressed out. Trying to keep my cool, but I am stressed out. If I exit now, I'll be negative $300. That's not a bad loss. That is not a bad loss. But again, there's nothing really to hold this market here. Nothing. There's no reasoning why it should end here or fall. I mean, it should have kept going here 3 times already, 4 times. Or here, it should have kept going, and it just couldn't find sellers. Buyers would just come and buy icebergs, buy. So I don't see a reasoning why I should exit this trade after waiting an hour. All right, if it does, I'd like to exit this at top of the hour, but I may have to extend this. I may have to go and switch to ETH charts.
Calculations, speculators reduced US dollar net long bet to the lowest since mid-March.
come on. Oh, a buy iceberg. 466. Right at POC. This could be a good sign. Unless they just cleared trades. All right, it's gonna take me an hour to upload this video. So if I get stopped out and you don't see it until late in the afternoon, because, well, not late in the afternoon, but it takes time to upload, and I also fix the. So I'm gonna put this loss if I get stopped out as a separate thumbnail than the previous one, because I think I found that when people see just part 1 and part 2 with the same thumbnail, they click less, and I think there's value in every single video that I upload. So I'll put as thumbnail lost on one, and then the thumbnail lost of this video. But hopefully it will be a win. All right. 14 minutes. Starting to lose faith here. And I don't have enough room to withstand a stop pick. So if it's all right, if it starts, let me just, I don't want to take a full blown loss either. All right, that's it. That's it. Either it goes or it doesn't. Yeah. Let's see. I could actually even be at 04. 0350. That's it. I'm not going to take a full loss. 0350. All right. So, all right. If I get stopped out, I'm not going to go and upload this video for a $72 loss and commission on the ES, even though there's a lot of value. I don't want to have to bother you guys with clicking on a video that nothing happened for an hour and 15 minutes. Sorry, I had to change my mind, but yeah, if I was gonna take the full loss, then I feel obligated to go and show a loss. But $75, I don't see the point. Here comes the buyers. Oh, here comes some buyers. Oh, no, it's sellers. For a second, it looked like they were buying. All right, here comes the last 10-minute push. Looks like it's going to take me out. Oh, man. God, it looked good for a second. Looked like I had the Pretty good entry. Looked like it was going to keep going here. Then it looked like it was on its way up slowly. But it just could not find any more buyers here. And probably has to do with that iceberg sell. Yeah. All right.
Traders noting the market imbalance rises to 2 billion on the buy side, 2 billion to buy according to traders.
I should just exit here. Should just exit here. All right. I gotta take some money out of here. Yeah, I can't. Yeah. So 115 on the MES and 375 on the MES. Unless it keeps going. Now I'm afraid that it will probably not go to 25 unless it keeps going after the top of the hour. If it finds momentum, let's see how it deals with making a new high. If it hot knifes right through making a new high, then chances are it will keep going. Go, 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 go. Here comes the buyers. Holy crap. It's got a hot knife right through 15. It cannot hesitate. I should just get out here and I'll be profitable. All right, I'm going to have to exit F15. Let me give it a chance here. Let me give it a chance. Here we go. Here we go. If it hot nice, I just don't want to get caught on waiting for 25 and then it bounces off off of 21. Benny, not now. Please go. Not now. Sorry, boy. Please go. I'm not calling you. So made a new high and they immediately started to sell. Oh my God, I'm tempted to just get out here. All right, I'm getting out at 21. I don't care for a big win. I'm stressed out. Or either I'm going to get out now. I just made my money back. I'm getting out. Screw this. Screw this. I'm out. Come on, get out. I'm out. I'm out. It's either going to keep going or... Oh, here comes the buyers. Yeah, I can't take it anymore. I am stressed out. Go, 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 go. I'm going with it. I'm going with it. I'm stressed out. I can't handle it anymore. Get me out. Out. Woo. God, that was gnarly. Wow. And a big sell order just hit right now. I think I got out exactly at the right time. Oh no, here comes. Here, oh my God. I don't even want to watch this. All right, guys, I'm done. I'm going to turn this off because if it goes to target, I'm going to be upset. All right, I'll catch you guys live in the Thunderdome. I made my money back. I'm up about close to $800. after, yeah. Oh my God, I can't believe I made this money back. And I am not going to trade on Monday. I am not going to trade on Monday. All right, guys. Catch you live in the Thunderdome.